Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Ranger brake light. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 3157 bulb. Make sure your truck is off and the parking brake is set for safety. You'll find two screws on the inside edge of the taillight assembly. These screws secure the entire unit to the truck's body. Now, use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove those two screws you just located. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back from the truck. It might feel a little snug, but avoid forcing it. Remember, there's a wiring harness connected, so don't pull too hard or you could damage the connections. With the assembly free, locate the brake light bulb socket. It's usually the larger one. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Now, simply pull the old 3157 bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new 3157 bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it's seated correctly. Reinsert the bulb socket into the taillight assembly, twisting it clockwise to lock it securely in place. Carefully guide the entire taillight assembly back into its position on the truck, ensuring the tabs align. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws to secure it. Finally, turn on your truck and test the brake lights to confirm they are working. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.